Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Steele, and today I wanted to go over skywriting with you and letter formation. When you're skywriting, you need to make sure you use the skyline, the plane line, the grass line, and the worm line. All of our letters that we have learned either start at the skyline or at the plane line. Unless they're uppercase letters, then they all start at the skyline. I'm just going to give you a few examples here when you're making them with your arm or with your pencil on paper, whether it's foundations paper or regular lined paper. So let's go ahead and I'm going to make a few for some examples. Grab my pen. Okay, so if we're making a lowercase b, we're going to start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, trace up to the sky plane line, and curve around to the grass line. If we're going to make a lowercase d, we're going to start at the plane line, go back, down and around, all the way back up to the skyline and down to the grass line. One of our ones that was a challenging one that we have done is our lowercase e. That's when we fly under the plane line, go up to the plane line, down and around to the grass line. And some of our other ones that go down to the worm line that has sometimes are challenging for us are like a letter G or a J or even a P sometimes. So G, we start at the plane line, go around to the grass line, back up to the plane line, and all the way down to the worm line and curve. I'm going to erase, and then I will go over some more of the ones that could be a little more challenging, like Q, right? Plane line, down and around to the grass line, back up to the plane line, down to the worm line, and curve up. J, plane line, all the way down to the worm line and curve around and add the dot. Make sure not to make any lollipops, right? Or our S, curve up to the plane line, go back in and down and around to the grass line. When we're talking about some of our uppercase letters, they all start at the skyline. So, and a lot of times we might be sliding or going straight down. So if we make the letter A, we're going to start at the skyline, slide to the grass line, go back to the skyline, slide to the grass line, cross at the plane line. If we're making an uppercase M, we're going to go to the skyline, down to the grass line, back to the skyline, slide to the plane line, slide back up to the skyline, and slide back down to the grass line. This was just a small sample of how we make our letters as review to remind you that when you're writing, to be thinking about the plane line, the skyline, the grass line, and the worm line, whether you're using foundations paper or any type of regular lined paper. Hope this was a good reminder for you when you are writing or when you're skywriting. Talk to you soon.